What's up everybody and welcome back to the channel. We've got a lot going on this week. We're going to do a baseline of Jack's C6 Z06 before we do our heads cam package. We've got the 5th gen Pro Charged SS going on the dyno right now. We've got a G8 in for a tune, and we've got a couple of giveaways this week. So we're going to start it off with our weekly giveaway, which is a license plate frame, some stickers. Then we're going to have Jack and ours joint giveaway, where we're going to give away a t-shirt, license plate frame, and some stickers, as well as his enthusiast keychain for all of the subscribers, new subscribers sent over from his channel from his video this past Sunday. If you haven't checked it out, check out his channel, Durtymax Jack. He's got a bunch of truck content as well as his C6 Z06 that we're doing our heads cam package on, so it's gonna be good. We're also gonna do our 10,000 subscriber giveaway. So basically just giving away a bunch of free this week. 10,000 subscriber giveaway, which we should hit soon. We're not there as of right now, but we should hit that probably this Friday's episode. So Friday we will give away to one of our random subscribers t-shirt, a hat, plate frame, some stickers, a bunch of stuff. The giveaways are only gonna get better. The content's only gonna get better. So subscribe, like, comment, and stay tuned for more.
Alright, so the first giveaway we're going to do is our weekly giveaway, which is the license plate frame and stickers. We do this every week. All you have to do is subscribe, like, and comment on one of our videos, either from Wednesday or Friday. One of those videos will be picked, so you're better off commenting on both, Wednesday and Friday, to get a better chance. So, let's pick the snow day video. We are going to pick the snow day video, which was hilarious. This is when Fran and Eric went out in the snow and did some snow burnouts. And some of you commented up time for Eric for a sick day, and guess what? He was sick, so I thought that was pretty funny. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take all of the comments, not including the Jack ones, because those are going to be in their own giveaway. I don't want to take away from our normal subscriber commenters. So everybody's comment is in. If you're new to the channel, this is what we use. We just basically put everybody's name in here who commented, and we hit random, and the person on number 1 is our winner for that giveaway. All right, so let's go ahead. Random. Gibson SS8. Alright, so there he is. The first 2 minutes of the video is why people love Fox bodies for racing, specifically 145. I'm guessing you're talking about how light they are, and basically just took 3 big guys to pick it up and move it. He already liked the video. Way to go. And he is subscribing. So congratulations, sir. You are this week's winner. I will send you a comment to email me your information, and we'll get that prize out to you.
I believe so. I don't really know any other details.
So just obviously in for a tune, someone else did.
I think he put it together.
Huh?
He put it together.
Oh, did he? Okay.
It wasn't tuned when it got here.
Gotcha.
Didn't run very good.
You need some Fisherman's Friends.
I know.
I might go get some at lunch then.
I'll take one.
I'll go buy like 5 bags, give one to Eric, give one to Tyler. Do this work.
Oh, hey buddy.
Hey buddy, how are you?
I'm great.
Great to see you.
I'm great.
As always a pleasure, you know?
Yeah. What you got going on with this thing?
Other people's problems.
Oh, is that what it is?
Yeah. mean, it just keeps throwing the belt. What? You watch your step there, buddy.
I'm good.
You all right?
I'm good.
So yeah, I think they're eliminating the cog drive and putting a new radiator in it. Repairing some transcooler lines. I just found that there's a power steering line that's too. So yeah.
So a different shop or someone else did this and now you're fixing it?
Yeah, basically.
Aren't those your favorite things to do?
No.
Like ripping it apart and then redoing it?
No.
You don't love that?
Nope.
Why not?
Not even a little bit. I'm gonna put this thing up in the air real quick and see if I can't see. Apparently this thing has no trans fluid in it, but I don't see where it would have leaked out anywhere. I see power steering leaking. Yeah. That's nice. So, I don't know. I see where it was probably pissing out ATF from the power steering, but not from the trans yet. I haven't seen it yet. Maybe there is.
Do you already check the level on the trans?
I can't start the car, so I mean there's no dipstick or anything, but I was gonna pull the. We'll see. These are the transcooler lines, and they come up and around and over. I mean, you can see where they've been laying here, but I don't see where they would have got cut. And I don't think that that's the case, to be honest. Because that all this braid would be covered in trans fluid.
Oh, for sure. It would have run down it.
So I think what we need to do is replace this power steering line. I think that's what we gotta do. And that's gonna be his issue. Damn, I wish I could make my own line, like a little short line, because this is all like rigged in here from when he put the blower on. Okay, let me mention that to Bill. Check the trans fluid real quick.
Hey, if it makes you less angry.
It's got fluid in it. Just like I expected.
And it looks good too.
It's pouring out too.
That's a good sign at least.
Yeah, I kind of figured that when I didn't see a puddle of trans fluid under the car. Yeah, so I checked the trans fluid and I think it's full.
Okay.
Power steering line's cut.
Okay, well, that's what it was then.
Yeah, so.
Is there any belt in there or no?
Belt?
Cog belt.
Yeah, there's a belt over there, like on the front seat. Like
yeah, I want to see the part number. I know them things we've seen before on a car is if the crank pulley's not on right, it basically throws timing in it, and it could be throwing a belt because it's got some timing in it.
1760/8M.
20, 30, 60,
50?
50. Just start smacking Steve.
They were talking about how long it took for Eagles tickets to sell out, and then Steve comes over and turns my radio down.
What does it matter? You don't have them.
I know. I just wanted to know, like, how long. I like hearing, like, listening to that stuff. I'm gonna need to take all that blower off though, and everything to replace the power steering line. So.
Yeah. Go find out what Tyler's doing. Dude, that would hurt so bad. You wouldn't care.
Yeah, probably not.
No, you wouldn't care. All right, you can turn up your thing. Go have at it. What do you got going on this thing?
Line lock, two-step, and oil change. This is the one that was here a while back.
Okay.
A few months ago when it was still warm out.
Gotcha.
It got its heads, cam, and headers. And
I gotcha. Had like, it was like Orlas or something. I forgot what we put on.
I think it was MagnaFlow.
I think it might have been MagnaFlow. That's what I was about to say, but. Yeah, MagnaFlows. Yeah, I remember it. Not gonna be a whole lot of interesting stuff to film then, so.
No, not really.
Okay.
A couple lines and a bunch of wiring, and that's it.
Cool. So So everything else in this is pretty much stock. Stock block, stock cam, everything else, right? Just blower.
Literally got headers and a pro charger on it, yeah.
Okay.
And a fuel system, but yeah.
Right. So
No math.
No math, but we're doing what, like 50% VP?
It's 45 right now, yeah. I need you to add a little more, actually.
I'm guessing his plans are to do a block, or?
Yeah. That's why he did the F1 blower, because he's going to put a motor in it later.
Gotcha.
I sound like Dick.
You look like a dick. Pre-dicked.
Dick.
Everybody liked that, the pre-dicked lotion.
Yeah, well, it gave me the dick is what it did. I didn't use it, but somehow I got it.
You smelled it, so now.
Yeah. The dick's just transferred.
I didn't use it, I feel great.
No more dicks for me.
No. We gotta get your two guesses on this, by the way. Bill guessed 464, I guessed 450. Fran was like 459.
454.
Okay.
Say 455. I'll do
Jesus.
456.
Everybody's right around my shit. I basically screwed if it goes, unless it gets 450 on the dot. You should guess higher, like 470, because no one's guessed that.
Yeah, but I'm also not going to guess higher than Fran or Bill.
Whatever.
For a stop, completely stop.
Yeah, it's true. Sounds so quiet. Well, it's gonna be the last time it sounds like that.
All right, while the guys are putting Jack's car on the dyno for the baseline, I have everybody's name in here that he sent over with his phrase. Let's hit the random button and find out our winner. So there's your winner. Don't forget we have 3 more of Jack's combined giveaways with ours, so more to go and more awesome content.
All right, so I guess I'll put all of our guesses up here. They're up there.
I don't see them.
Where are they at? So what's the verdict?
Low.
451.
I guess 450 and everybody went like 455, 457. He went like 456.
What
Like,
did I guess?
I have to go back and look at the video.
59 or 58 maybe.
And now we should guess what it does for later. I'm I'm going 607.
611.
611. Guesses for later there, Fran?
I'll let you know after I hear it.
Fine. Stock throttle body, stock throttle body, stock manifold. That's why I said 607.
598.
Okay, that's pretty good. That's pretty about average, around 600, 598.
I'll go high, I'll be optimistic.